Visits to Buffalo are precious, even the relentless questions from his 8-year-old son, Magan.
Good.
Though time away is hard on the family, Mohammed and his wife Zainab are grateful their kids are growing up in a safe place.
My husband, he has a good heart, and he wanted to save the country, and I gave him 2 times up because he always wanted to do the job. And the last time I said, go ahead, you save Somali, I'll save these kids.
The children are proud of their dad's sacrifice, but miss him terribly, especially his fun side.
He's a goofy guy. He might seem serious, but he's really goofy. We miss a lot. I even miss him telling us to pick stuff off the floor.
It will take strong leadership to clean up the mess in Somalia, where Prime Minister Mohammed says failure is not an option. In New York, Julie Banderas, Fox News.